Hey guys, this is Ty from Tennessee, and today I'm going to be going over with you one of the best motorcycle accessories that I have yet to invest in. And what is that? It's this device right here. Want to know what it is and what it does? Stick around. All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate your time today. So what we have here is our new 6x12 Continental Cargo enclosed trailer. This is the one right now I'm just carrying around. The Street Glide in this one, the Sportster S will soon follow. We'll have a place for it in the trailer. But anyway, just wanted to give you guys a quick tour of the trailer, and then let's demo the biker bar. All right, so I've already shown you guys what the biker bar itself looks like, but there's also some hardware that has to go inside the trailer to secure the biker bar, so we're going to take a look at that now. All right, as we walk up in the trailer, you're going to see this. You can see the biker bar logo right there, ditchthestraps.com. The great thing about this piece of hardware is, just like that internet site says, you do not need any straps to tie your bike down. All you need is this contraption right here. So you can see there's a couple of different clamps. There's one here, one on the other side. The biker bar attaches to the frame and then is secured in by this device right here. So I had Tennessee trailers, Tennessee tractors, something like that. I purchased this from back home in Chattanooga, Tennessee. So shout out to those guys. You can go see them if you're interested in this product, and there's got to be places local that carry them. But anyway, so what I'd like to do now is to demo the how it works with the biker bar and to get your feedback on that. So hang on. All right, so hopefully you guys can see the biker bar here. As you see, it's got these two hooks right here. Each of those goes on one side of the bike and hooks into the frame. And so we're going to go ahead and do that. At the other end, on the right side of the biker bar right here, you've got this adjustable clamp that'll tighten and loosen the biker bar. So what you need to do is, when you first put the biker bar onto the motorcycle, this is the piece you want to look at right here. You want to get it tight enough so that this piece, now that once it gets tightened, it aligns, and then you want to turn the biker bar an extra quarter turn after that. So we'll go ahead and get it on, put it on the bike now. Now I do my best to try to get this right behind the kickstand. Usually about right here. And then hopefully you guys can see this. Try to adjust this a little bit for you. We're going to tighten the biker bar up right here. A few turns, you start to see that washer line back up, and you pull this another quarter turn. It's super tight. That's not going anywhere. All right, now that the biker bar has been installed, you can see on the right side of the bike we've got plenty of clearance over here. If you go look on the left side, you're going to see not so much, and that's perfectly normal. Right here you can see not a lot of clearance, but you can also see all the scrapes on the biker bar where it's clamped in. So we are good right there. Next thing to do is get the bike in the trailer. Okay, now that the bike is in place and locked in the biker bar, what the instructions tells you to do on this is to give it another quarter turn. Heave! And we should be all set. So now the only thing that we have left to do is to put the motorcycle in trailer mode. All right, so we've got the motorcycle in the trailer. So from my understanding, the procedure to put a motorcycle in trailer mode for the 2014 and up CVO goes as follows. And let me see if I can turn this and get you guys a better view of the handlebars. Let's bring that down a little bit. There we go. Okay, so that's going to be this. You turn the ignition on, turn the ignition off, hold in both turn signals, and now you can see on the notification the motorcycle is in trailer mode. So that's all there is to it. Now we'll show you the process of how to release the motorcycle once you reach your destination. So here we are, left side of the bike. You can see that clamp right back there. You're going to step on that. It's going to release the motorcycle on the left side, and you simply just roll back.
There you go.
All right, as you guys can see, the motorcycle is in the trailer now, and it is not going anywhere. It is very, very sturdy. The biker bar, from my experience, is so much easier to use than straps and tie downs and that type of thing, which I have no experience with. The biker bar works fantastic, and I would highly, highly recommend it. So if you would, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you are interested in motorcycle related content, CVO related content, or Sportster S content. That would just be awesome. I hope you guys have an excellent day, and we'll talk to you again soon.